And it was a great enlightenment and a wisdom na binigay sa akin.
Drama ni Kenneth Rialdo.
The gospel said that it's not all about the crown, but it is about the cross. It is not about the honor, but it's about the sacrifice. It's not being the first, but being the last. It's not being the great, but being the servant. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, bakit na ibigay sa atin to? We have to, and to sum up that, Your Honor, ang sinabi nung pare, sabi niya, it's not about the experience. Because yung experience kasi natin sa buhay, it may be good or bad. But it's all about the lesson learned that time, Your Honor. So we have that courage. Even my wife submitted to my decision. And on the next day, pumunta na po ako. Nandun po yun.
You are lying! You are lying!